Well, 2025 has been a good year, it has been a bad year. We have seen some ups, we have seen some downs, we have seen some good students, we have seen some very good students, difficult students, but amazing students. So, well, with that, I think with a heavy heart, we'll have to bid goodbye to all of these wonderful souls that I've had the opportunity to teach. Then, what to say? Life moves on, and we have to move forward. Well, folks, with a heavy heart, with that, we have come to the end of this class of 2024-2026. I am Sir Mayborn, and this is my class. Signing off. Goodbye.